What are some hormone-free options for menopausal relief? Let's talk about it. Not everyone can take hormone replacement therapy when they go through menopause. Hormone-related cancers may preclude taking hormones, or you may have an undesirable side effects with HRT. So what are your hormone-free options? Well, number one option that I recommend is supporting your hypothalamus. When you support your hypothalamus nutraceutically, it helps to balance all of your hormones, particularly your adrenal glands, which can produce precursor hormones, and that helps minimize menopausal symptoms. There are also non-hormone medications for women who would like to go the pharmaceutical route. These drugs help to mitigate menopausal hot flashes and include anti-seizure medicines and antidepressants. There's also phytoestrogens, which are plant-derived estrogens like flaxseed, soy, black cohosh that can help relieve symptoms. Then mind-body techniques can be helpful to mitigate symptoms. One in particular is a technique that was studied for the relief of hot flashes in menopausal women, a contraction-relaxation exercise that is done before bed or in the middle of the night if needed. I've included a full description of this technique in our hormone reboot training. Cooling blankets can also be helpful for nocturnal hot flashes and night sweats. Regular exercise helps to mitigate menopausal symptoms, particularly hot flashes and mood swings, by over 50%. If you have any questions about managing menopause without hormones, please join us in our hormone reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.